Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how Katana compares to multi-orders and which is better for manufacturing and multi-channel inventory management in 2025. First, let's look at Katana. It's a manufacturing ERP built for small to mid-sized producers. Katana gives you real-time inventory tracking, production planning, and shop floor control, all in a clean and visual interface. It's ideal for manufacturers who want full visibility from raw materials to finished goods. Now, Multi-Orders is designed for e-commerce sellers managing multiple channels. Multi-Orders connects with Shopify, Amazon, eBay, and more, syncing orders and inventory automatically. It focuses on simplifying fulfillment, shipping, and order management across platforms. Katana is best for manufacturers that need production control, while multi-orders fits multi-channel retailers that want centralized inventory and order tracking. Thanks for watching this Katana versus multi-orders 2025 guide. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more inventory and ERP software comparisons.